how to add page numbers in Word starting from specific page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to achieve this. Whether you want to start numbering from page 3 or 4, I've got you covered. So I want the page numbers from the second page. So first what I do is place my cursor on the page where I want to begin the numbering and go to the top navigation and click on layout. And then break and select section break, that is next page. After that, I'll need to add my page numbers. So I'll go to insert and then choose page number and choose my preferred style. Once you've done that, don't forget to uncheck the link to previous box to ensure your numbering starts fresh. Now go to page numbers on the right side and tap on format page numbers. There what you to do is start at and change it to 1. You just have to tap on the drop down and then after it's set on 1, tap on OK. And that's it. Now your page number is started from second page. So if there are any unwanted page numbers in the previous section, just double click and delete them. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, everyone.